If you've ever looked at the grime in your window tracks, the soap scum on your shower door, or the grease on your grill and thought, I need a miracle, you actually just need pressurized steam. Welcome back. If you're ready to blast away the gunk without a single drop of bleach or harsh chemicals, the Amazon Basics Handheld Steam Cleaner is the ultimate deep clean multi-tool for 2026. This isn't a weak mister. It is a 1000 W high-pressure steam shot system. The standout feature for 2026 is its sheer versatility, thanks to the 9-piece accessory kit included in the box. Whether you're using the long spray nozzle for hard-to-reach corners, the round brush for scrubbing grout, or the window squeegee for a streak-free finish, this unit delivers a concentrated blast of high-temperature steam that sanitizes as it cleans. It's perfect for those micro-tasks that a full-size steam mop simply can't handle, like refreshing curtains or de-wrinkling a suit. What makes this Amazon Basics model the utility king for 2026 is its fast-action design. It features an 8.5-ounce water tank and a 12-foot power cord, giving you just enough runtime and reach to tackle a kitchen or bathroom without being tethered to the wall. It's remarkably compact and lightweight, designed for one-handed operation so you can scrub with one hand and wipe with the other. In a world of expensive specialized cleaning gadgets, this is a budget-friendly powerhouse that replaces half a dozen chemical cleaners with just plain tap water. Click the link below for the best price and start blasting away the grime today. If this breakdown helped you find the secret weapon for your spring cleaning, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that actually do the dirty work. See you in the next one.